So waking up this morning to Bingley's craziness. I took him out and then he comes here and he's just trying to bite the sheets, trying to bite the foam cover that we have on here. He's trying to get up here. He's not allowed. But he's so cute. Look at that face. Who cannot love? Oh, look, he's trying to bite. Behave. Bingley? Bingley? Oh my goodness, this dog. Hello everyone, I'm here starting my Saturday here picking up groceries. Me and Maddie are here and
we can't even go to Six Flags.
So yeah, we're kind of bummed because this is the start of our spring break and we were planning to go to San Antonio, Texas, and we are not going to due to all that corona thing. But yeah. So here picking up groceries, and then today we are going to be going to the church. We have a plate sale today, and then
go buy some.
Then later on, we're gonna go buy her shoes. She's out of well, she has shoes, but they're fitting her tight, and also sandals just for the season already. Yeah, that's about it. Come along with us this morning and see what else comes around. Guess where we're at? The Dollar Tree. I'm gonna get this cart right here. I'm getting some Ziploc bags. I want to get some cleaning stuff too. I love these. These are good. I just bought a lot of sponges. I don't need sponges. No, don't do it here. She's trying to learn how to do a cartwheel. Well, that's interesting. I need mats.
Because when I do a cartwheel, my feet hurt.
Well, then don't do a cartwheel right now. Maddie saw this. It's the 90s trivia challenge. And I told her I would win.
No, she won't.
So I came trying to find those like Clorox wipes, generic ones, and they don't even have that here anymore. Hey guys, so I'm back home. So basically I ended up going to church. I didn't vlog that, but I ended up going to church. And because it was really busy back and forth, so I just really didn't have much time to pick up the camera at the time. But we are back home. We had a brisket plate for lunch, and I took one for Jonas, who was at the lot, and then we came back to the house. Look here, this gorgeous thing. He is such a pet. Bingley, say hi, Bingley. Say hi. Anyways, so we're just here. I did clean up a bit. We have that. Let me turn the camera around. We have like that foldable chair, right? I mean table or there. That we sometimes put in the middle, and we do it like when we're gonna watch like a movie or want to eat. We brought pizza or something that we can eat here, but the only thing is that we forget to remove it, and when we do that, it becomes the place where we put everything. So like Maddie's stuff piles up, and especially if you leave it longer, then by the time you know it, it just looks really cluttered. So I just moved that. I vacuumed all the floors, and I washed the dishes, and just here. And then somebody's supposed to come and pick this up today. I don't know if they're gonna come on or not. They're actually I'm giving it pretty cheap, but I just need to get rid of things. So this is a Vampirina bus. She doesn't want it anymore. That's why we're selling it, by the way. I did not ask her to get rid of it in any way, but she said she didn't want it anymore. And so we are going to be selling it on Facebook Marketplace. So I'm going to wait to see if the lady's coming right now. And then just that's about it. Sorry, I lost my track of thought. But I think Jonas is here. Let's see. Get out of the way, Bingley. Oh, he is here. Oh my goodness. And he's right. More toilet paper and napkins. So we're here at the house. We're about to leave. We're just going to go have dinner and then probably go to Lowe's and what else? the property, the lot. And I think that's about it. And I wanted a raspa. So it's basically a raspa is what you call a snow cone. But here in this area, they're a little bit different because we kind of make them.
Okay, guys.
We make them like unusual. No, I was going to talk about the style of raspas we eat here. Like leche.
Yeah.
You don't see that. Or like Piccadilly where they have pickles and Kool-Aid. With powdered Kool-Aid with salt. Or chamoys or like.
That's no cone with food coloring.
I mean, there's all sorts of mixtures and things, but they're really good. I mean, I don't know if they have them anywhere else, but I think they started here definitely in the Rio Grande Valley. And then if they spread, I don't know, they probably have. So guys, what do you think you have to say, Jonies?
But what?
About life in general. Some advice. So Jonas found a meme of a little dog buying toilet paper, and that was Jonas the other day. I sent him yesterday. That was him yesterday. I sent him in the morning. I said, "You better go and get toilet paper because everybody's buying toilet paper, and we don't want to, not have any and run out, and there not be any in stock." So we're like crazy people going to get toilet paper like everybody else, but it's a hysteria in a way because I can understand, like the need for toilet paper, but I don't know, it's just crazy how everybody just started buying toilet paper and it's become a big joke. But obviously we need toilet paper, right? So we ended up going to get like a few packages, and then my poor mom this morning, she tried to go get some and she didn't have any, she didn't find any more. And so So I'm gonna go ahead and give my mom a package. Guys, you're gonna get another sneak peek before the actual update. So this is the framing of the roof going on right now. So again, stay tuned for my next update. That's gonna have like the full finished product. So yeah, that's gonna be the sneak peek for today. We're downtown Wasago, the city that I'm from, and we just turned 100 years this year. So, well, actually not this year, actually this past December. So, last year. But this building here was built 1929, and I know that because I used to work at the museum for a few years before I started teaching. But this is such a small town. But it does have it's...
Has nothing.
Well, it doesn't have
Nothing.
What do you mean nothing?
It has restaurants only.
Well, exactly. That's what I meant. It has all the conveniences of a bigger city, but still small town. I mean, there's not... For the most part, we have really good restaurants here.
That's it.
And that's it. And that's all we need. The only thing that we do not have that I've been wanting so much is a Target. We have to drive maybe 15 minutes to get to a Target, and that sucks. But we do have a super Walmart. We have we have two Walmarts, and then we have a grocery Walmart that's going to be very close to our house, and we have all sorts of other restaurants, like regular one, Olive Garden, Longhorn Steakhouse, Applebee's, Chili's, IHOP, Denny's, and all the smaller ones too. And we have like really good Mexican food here. You know that we do.
Yeah.
Well, this whole area probably gonna have some kind of good Mexican restaurant wherever you go. See, we have Panda Express. We have
3 Whataburgers.
3 Whataburgers, 3 McDonald's, 2 HEBs,
Catholic Church.
and the Catholic Church. We're not Catholic though, but Catholic Church. And yeah, showing you this dirty windshield. But right now I'm gonna get out. But this is a place we love coming to. It's called Casa de Mariscos, which is House of Fish or House of Seafood, not fish. But they also sell like Mexican. What it says there? Mariscos al gusto mexicano, or Mexican food, something like that. Look at all the lights. Looks under my phone, just looks blurry. So they're having a sell on these. I really like this rug. Maddie said she didn't like it. We're here at Lowe's, by the way. Which one did you like? She likes that one with the little tassels. But it says they're all $198. Your choice, $198. Wow. Let me see if I can get Jonas to buy me a rug.